Hi, my name is James. I'm a option traders. I swing trade options and leap trade options. I day trade and sometimes swing trade forex, and then I also day trade futures. And I would like to actually start documenting my journey, which is why I started this YouTube channel. And I want to bring you behind the scene of everything that I do when it comes to emotions, psychology, and some technical analysis. So this is not going to be a how-to channel. This is going to be it's going to be like, what am I doing, right? Things that I struggle with, things I'm better at, things I'm progressing at, things I'm growing out of, and again, things that I'm still stuck in, bad habits, good habits, strength, weaknesses. These are things I want to share with you. So this is not going to be let me show you how to flip 1,000 to 20,000 channel. This is not going to be let me show you how to copy trade 25 platform accounts at once and make money. This is going to be because right now this phase of my trading where I'm at right now is more like facing the person behind my execution. So a lot of you guys know how to execute when it comes to trading, but a place where a lot of us struggle is the person behind the execution. A lot of us know how to find trades. A lot of us know how to identify support, resistance, supply and demand, all of those stuff, but people are still struggling even though they have all of the technical tools that they need. And I have been that person, right? I am still that person growing out of that phase, and I would like to show you and share with you my journey, like exactly what I'm doing to help me get better. And I've been trading for I'd say close to 5 years. I started trading 2021, 5 going to 6 years. Started trading 2021. I've had my ups, I've had my downs, I've had my good era, I've had my bad times, right? And I'm at a point right now where I think it makes way more sense to be able to help people who are still in that phase, some of those phases that I have, let's say, graduated from, and some of the phase where I'm still stuck in, right, and trying to get out of. This is going to feel a little, like right now, it feels a little uncomfortable, right? Having to sit in front of the camera and talk like this. This is not something I'm used to, so bear with me. As time goes by, it's going to get better. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, I would like to say, can you please subscribe to the channel? Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. And I think this is going to be a fun one because, again, like I said, it feels uncomfortable, like very uncomfortable. I'm not going to lie to you, right? To be able to do this. But with time and experience, I think it's going to get better. So bear with me, like I said. So I will be dropping some videos. I will be dropping weekly videos. So I'll start with at least once or twice per week. I will drop videos. We're going to start again. Like I said, this is more like what am I struggling with and fixing the person behind the execution, right? So I'm going to talk technical analysis, right? But I'm going to talk more about the person behind the technical analysis, the person behind the analysis, like person analyzing the charts. So it's not going to be, hey, this is where you should buy Tesla or QQQ. This is where you should enter for SPY. This is not a single channel, right? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Okay.